Hello everyone, if you're looking for a decent size 4x4, and I mean a 7-seater 4x4, you need to consider this one. This is our 2010 60 plate Mitsubishi Outlander Juro. It's the DID 2.2 turbo diesel switchable 4x4 SUV. Come and take a look. As you can see, it's finished in a beautiful, stunning black. Beautiful clear headlights. Extra driving lights in the front. Alloy wheels. The tyres are in great condition. We'll look at every one as we go round. If we look up towards the screen, we can see it's got tinted glass all round. The door mirror also has the side repeater indicator built into it as well. If we look inside, electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. The vehicle comes with one key. Unfortunately, we've only been able to get one. Multi-function steering wheel. If we look right inside, we have radio, CD player, air conditioning, you can drive it either in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. It's switchable, high and low. The seats are leather, which are in beautiful condition. There's no damage to them, there's no cuts, there's no tears, there's no stains. Height adjustment on the driver's seat. Now 4x4s tend to get used and abused, so to actually find something, to find a vehicle that's clean and tidy without damage is very difficult sometimes. The sills, I mean, these always get marked and damaged and scuffed with people's feet. Very good condition. The door cards, again, there's no damage. Great condition. Let's look in the rear. I'm just taking my time just to show you the condition overall. The rear seats have also got ISOFIX seat fixings for the children's seats, but you've also got lots and lots of leg room, which is what we want. We go to the rear. It's four-wheel drive, it's switchable four-wheel drive. You've got rear parking sensors. There's one or two light little marks, we will be touching that up. It doesn't need paint work, it just needs touching up. Rear wiper, high level brake light. Let's look in the cargo area. Now there's the seats in the rear. The seats fold down, both lots of seats fold down. Just forward of the third row of seats, you've also got a parcel shelf, which is retractable, which is also removable. And the next row of seats, you've got a 60-40 split. You can either put one section down or both sections down. If you happen to be a rear passenger, your range of vision is still very good. It just closes down. Now some facts and figures for you. It's always important to know what kind of fuel. The CO2 rating on it is 185. That means your road tax is only £290 a year. It's got full service history, fuel, Urban, you can expect 29.2 miles to the gallon. Extra urban, 47.1. Combined, 38.7. It's got a staggering top speed of 124 mile an hour. And the brake horsepower, if you're going to pull anything, you know, like a caravan, a boat, a trailer, a horse box, the brake horsepower is 154. Now, all our vehicles carry a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, again, please don't worry. All our vehicles are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. In fact, if we look up to the roof, we can also see we've got roof rails. So in the summer months, you can sort of put those roof boxes on there for extra storage. If we look down the body line to see if there's any car park dents, there's nothing obvious, there's nothing I can see. Now, this is an affordable 4x4. A 7-seater 4x4. It's a family vehicle. So pick up the phone, give me a call. Let's just stand back and we'll see it from a distance. It's a great looking car. My name is Jim from Getaroundcars, where cars cost less. You can call us on 07710 85 80 66. Thank you for watching.